Dear students, once again, good afternoon to all of you. Today, again, we are going to cover the topic that is refraction and dispersion of light. So, today, the topic that I am going to take here is the radii of curvature and the other terms that are given here. So, the radii of two spheres of which the lens surface are a part of are known as radii of curvature. As I already told you that it is just like you can say that circle, radius of circle and radii of curvature, you can relate that. Then principal axis, I have told you about the principal axis that the red line that you can see in the picture in the diagram here, uh, you can see here this is the red line here. So this is the principal axis, the line joining the center of curvature of two surfaces of a lens is known as its principal axis. Then optical center, I have already told you about the optical center. You can see the diagram here and O is written over here. This O is at the center and this is known as a optical center. So you can see here the optical center of a lens is a special point on its principal axis. A ray of light passing through the optical center of a lens goes straight uh, through it without undergoing any bending or deviation. Means यहाँ से जो लाइन जाती है वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट निकलती है ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से, वो बेंड नहीं होती है. Then principal focus, you can see here that focus has been written here. You can see it here. I will let you know here that where is this principal focus. So you will see it here, principal focus. I am again telling you that this is the principal focus here. It has been given here. This one here, all the rays are getting in the one point and that is called the principal focus. So it turns out that if a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of a lens falls on the lens, all such rays either all converges to a point on its principal axis or appear to diverge from a point on its principal axis. So I will let you know here, in case of convex lens they are meeting at a point, and in case of concave lens they are getting diverged. So F is also written here, F is also here. So in the two lenses, in one lens एक में कन्वर्ज हो रही हैं कन्वेक्स में, एक पॉइंट पे मिल रही हैं, यू सी हेयर सिंगल पॉइंट, और यू सी हेयर यहाँ पर ये डाइवर्ज हो रही हैं. सो दिस इज नॉन एज प्रिंसिपल फोकस. द डिस्टेंस of the principal focus from the optical center of a lens is equal to the focal length of the lens. So again the question arises here that what is focal length? So focal length you can say from here that you can say from here the distance between O and F. The distance between O and F is called the focal length. The distance of the principal focus from the optical center is called the focal length. Dear students, I have already told you that this is one of the difficult chapter. So you have to revise these terms carefully so that you can understand in a very well manner. So I will let you know here about these principal focus and other things. So you see here, this point is F focus and this point is O. So distance between F and O, this is known as you can say that this is the distance. So this is the principal focus. But in the second case, you will see here, in case of concave lens, this is the principal focus and this is the optical center, और इसमें रेज मीट नहीं करती हैं, वो दूर दूर जाती हैं. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कन्वेक्स लेंस एंड कनकेव लेंस. मैंने आपको डायग्राम बनाने के लिए तभी कहा था कि कनकेव लेंस में क्या हो रहा है, कन्वेक्स लेंस में क्या हो रहा है, ताकि आपको ये सब क्लियर हो जाए. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल वॉच हेयर. सो यू सी दैट